Welcome back. As you all know that my name is Bindu. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Cybersecurity. And today in this video we are going to learn about the subject Biology for Engineer, and the subject code is BB0C407, and the topic is photosynthesis in the plants. In this video we are going to learn about photosynthesis. First, introduction to photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process through which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy. Photosynthesis it is a process of plants preparing their own food. This process is vital for life on Earth as it produces oxygen and organic compounds. It primarily occurs in the chloroplast of plant cells using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. The importance of photosynthesis in the plants. Photosynthesis is essential for producing the oxygen we breathe. The oxygen is produced during the process of photosynthesis in the plants. It forms the basis of the food chain by converting solar energy into glucose. This natural process also helps regulate atmospheric carbon dioxide levels. The photosynthesis equation. The overall equation for photosynthesis can be simplified to 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light energy tends to C6H12O6 plus 6O2. It highlights the reactants and the products, glucose and oxygen. This equation illustrates the transformation of inorganic substance into organic matter. Chlorophyll and light absorption during the photosynthesis in plants. Chlorophyll is the green pigment found in the chloroplast that captures light energy. In this picture we can see about chlorophyll in the plants. It primarily absorbs blue and red wavelength of light while reflecting green light. This absorption process is crucial for initiating the photosynthetic reaction in plants. Types of photosynthesis in the plants. There are mainly two types of photosynthesis in plants. The two main types of photosynthesis are oxygenic and anoxygenic. First, oxygenic. Oxygenic photosynthesis formed by plants and cyanobacteria produces oxygen as a bicarbonate. This oxygen used for human in the process of respiration. And anoxygenic photosynthesis conducted by certain bacteria does not produce oxygen. The light reaction during photosynthesis. The light reaction occurs in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. During this phase, light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH. Water molecules are split, releasing oxygen as a bicarbonate. The Clavian cycle. The Clavian cycle occurs in the stroma of chloroplast and does not require light directly. It uses ATP and NADPH produces in the light reaction to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. This cycle is crucial for synthesizing organic compounds that plants use for energy and growth. Here we can observe the Clavian cycle in the photosynthesis. This picture shows about the Clavian cycle in the photosynthesis. Factor affecting photosynthesis. Several factors influence the rate of photosynthesis, including light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, and temperature. Optimal conditions can significantly enhance the photosynthetic process. Conversely, extreme condition can hinder or halt photosynthesis altogether. The role of water in photosynthesis. In this slide, we are going to study about the role. What is the important role of water in the photosynthesis? Water is a critical reactant in that photosynthesis process. It provides the electrons needed for the light reaction and serves as a source of hydrogen. Insufficient water can lead to decrease in photosynthetic efficiency. This lead to cause problem in photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide uptake. Carbon dioxide enters the plant through small opening called stomata. Stomata is open during the daytime and closes at the night time. The concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere affects the rate of photosynthesis. Plants regulate stomatal opening to balance CO2 uptake with water loss. Photosynthesis in different environments. Different environments can affect how plants perform photosynthesis. Aquatic plants often utilize dissolved carbon dioxide while terrestrial plants rely on atmospheric CO2. Some plants have adapted to extreme conditions such as CAM and C4 photosynthesis. Photosynthesis and climate change. Photosynthesis plays a key role in mitigating climate change by absorbing CO2. Increased carbon dioxide levels can enhance photosynthetic rates in some plants. However, climate change can also lead to stresses that negatively impact photosynthesis. Agriculture practices and photosynthesis. Understanding photosynthesis can improve agricultural practices and crop yields. Techniques such as optimizing light exposure and CO2 levels can enhance plant growth. Sustainable practices aim to maximize photosynthesis while minimizing environmental impacts. Photosynthesis in algae. Algae are significant photosynthetic organisms contributing sustainability to global oxygen production. They can perform photosynthesis in diverse aquatic environments from ocean to freshwater. Algae are also being researched for biofuel production due to their high growth rates. Evolution of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis has evolved over billions of years, significantly impacting Earth's atmosphere. The emergence of oxygenic photosynthesis was a major turning point leading to the Great Oxidation event. This evolutionary process shaped the development of aerobic life forms. The future of photosynthesis research. Ongoing research aims to enhance photosynthetic efficiency through genetic engineering. Scientists are exploring artificial photosynthesis as a renewable energy source. Understanding the mechanism of photosynthesis can lead to advancements in food security and sustainability. Photosynthesis in education. Teaching photosynthesis is crucial for understanding basic biological process for the students and everyone. It helps students appreciate the interconnectedness of life and ecosystem. Interactive experiments can enhance learning about photosynthesis in classrooms. Photosynthesis and human health. Plants that undergo photosynthesis are essential for food production and human health. They provide essential nutrition and oxygen supporting life on Earth. Encouraging plant growth contributes to the healthier environment and food supply. Photosynthesis myths. There are several misconceptions about photosynthesis, such as the belief that it occurs only during the day. In reality, some photosynthetic processes continue at night, although at a reduced rate. Understanding the myths is important for clear grasp of plant biology. Conclusion: photosynthesis is a fundamental biological process that sustains life on Earth. Its study is essential for addressing environmental changes and improving agricultural practices. Continued research and education on photosynthesis will benefit future generations. Thank you for watching the video.